Hello guys, this is how you can get to, what was it called? This is how you get to the Soon map. Like, you can tell me that this is not like a room that you can get to right now. Pretty sure no one's in here. It's very lazy though. So, I'm gonna do it for, I don't know, but I'm in here right now, and this is how you do it. I'm gonna be showing you, okay? I'm gonna go see if there's a monster in here though. It's probably not. I'm the only one in here. And the buttons are too. And you can only do this with mods, sadly though. Okay. This is how you do it. Okay, first you go for Monkey Horror. And then you go get your mods. I don't have any good mods. Just had the first one, that's not expensive. And you just go in here. Put platforms, speed boost, and fly mode, but the fly mode doesn't work at the lobby, so you're gonna have to do it like this, and then go to crawl space. It might take a few attempts, but it's probably easy. You see a bunch of people?
Like, we get how you can go monkey. Swing at the top
to any one. I'm gonna go over that one. Actually, this one.
Why is he so?
And then I'm gonna go this one over here. Go back. Go to the button back. And then, like, if your graphics are like crappy like this, that means that you did it. And then go to crawl space, and you can see everything. And then you see that red thing over there. You go over here. This red one.
The triangular steel doors are riddled with locks. He realized that the key worn by the indigenous queen was the key to unlocking this barrier. So when he got the key, he confidently inserted the key into the center hole. But just as he twisted it around, the bridge suddenly started to retract. Apparently they had chosen the wrong hole. Da Vinci took a quick look. Each hole is engraved
Then boom.
with a different constellation.
Now you are in the. Now you're in the
It retracted faster and faster. The number of
Huh?
holes in each row is a prime number, but the total of 100 is not. But one
Now you're in the
there must be another hole somewhere. And when
the room
he had an idea. He told his partner to
soon.
hold on to his lower body.
I'm pretty sure.
He immediately went to the back of the bridge and felt around quickly. And sure enough, here he found the 101st black hole. Then he hurriedly
But there's no monster. It's just very cool to see
When they entered the third level,
that
they
the
were
map
once again
that you can
stuck
go
by a
to.
steel door. Two triangular
So,
locks appeared
peace.
on both sides of the door, but they only had